Hey everyone! Have you ever looked at an old family photo or a video and wished you could see those faces clearly again? Well, that's exactly why we built Revive Faces here at Kiss AI. Our philosophy is right in the name. Keep it simple, stupid. We want to make powerful AI accessible to everyone without the headache. And the best part? It all happens right on your own computer. No uploading your precious memories to the cloud. Complete data privacy. Guaranteed. Getting started is super easy because Revive Faces is available exclusively on the Microsoft Store. Just search for Revive Faces, and you can install it with a single click. Once you launch the app, you'll see our simple activation screen. You've got 3 great options: a 7-day free trial to test the waters, a monthly plan for just $4.99, or you can save big with the yearly option at $49.99. Pick the one that works for you and hit subscribe. Now here's a little pro tip. The secure Microsoft Store payment window pops up in the background, and it might take about 40 to 45 seconds to load. So just give it a moment. Once you're paid up, you'll see this success message. Just close the app, relaunch it, and you're ready to go. Look at this interface, clean and clutter-free. Whether you're working with PNGs, JPEGs, or video files like MP4s and MKVs, we support them all. For images, you can select multiple files at once to save time. Watch the logs as the AI analyzes and restores each face. For videos, we focus on precision, so you select one file at a time. Just choose your clip, and the logs will show you frame-by-frame analysis as it happens. And voila! Now, people think restoration is just for fixing bad photos. But check this out. From blurry vintage portraits, to bringing clarity to whole groups, or just refining the texture of a classic memory. Because here's the thing. Every moment captured is perfect until you see a better version of it. Whether it's a simple portrait or a busy scene, Revive Faces handles it. But we didn't stop at photos. Revive Faces works its magic on videos too. Whether it's a shaky home movie or a vintage clip, watch how it stabilizes and clarifies every frame in this side-by-side comparison. It works like magic. Head over to the Microsoft Store, install Revive Faces, and bring those lost moments back to life.